Okay. So if if not, I'll go through the software side. Okay. For the software side, we will cover the Maxhub meeting OS, the whiteboard, Maxhub share, and also Maxhub pivot. Okay. Let me just put this one. So if I go to the home, when the system first power up, it will go into this screen. This screen normally will come with a simple setup like whiteboard, presentation, meeting, and screen share. So this is the meeting OS layout. So like I mentioned, the purpose or the usage of the intuitive flat panel is, first thing, you can do a manual whiteboard to do all the discussion, collaboration using the whiteboard. You can do screen sharing. With the screen share app, you will be able to project everything to the screen. And then with the presentation, so if you have any file inside the system or from your cloud, you will be able to set up here. And then for the meetings, we have built-in software for like Teams, Google, and Zoom, all built into the system. So this is the main application for the meeting device to use. So this, every time you boot out, it will go into this screen, but you can also set it like a digital signage or welcome screen. So you go over here, this can be a welcome screen. So if not running meetings, you can customize this screen. You can play video, multimedia file. You can customize or insert the background, image, text, video. So this can be like when there's no one in the meeting room, or you want to set it outside as a digital signage, you can customize this page. So this page, then once you want to go into the room or you want to start the meetings, you just slide over, then you can go to the main interface. So this one here, it will show up all the meeting. If you link your this device to your account, like Google account, Teams account, it will show up all your meeting agendas. You already set up? Later, I'll link up to your account later. Later, we will show how to set it up. So this is the main page. There's another page is the screen sharing. So how to do a wireless sharing. If I'm using dongle, it tells me how to connect the dongles. If I'm using Maxhub share, it asks me to download it and then key in the network and the passcode, then I can do the wireless sharing. If I'm using web meetings, I can go to c.maxhub.com, then just key in this code. You will be able to do it from the internet. And also, if you AirPlay, Miracast. For Miracast, you need to launch it. So once you launch it, the laptop will be able to stream directly using the Miracast and then also the Chromecast. So if you're using phone, they also explain to you how to use a client Maxhub share. You download from Apple Store or from Play Store, or you can do Miracast, same as you can do Chromecast. So it shows you. So if you want to use this device mainly for projectors, for presentation screen, you can set it to this picture. So everyone walking to the meeting rooms. So that if I'm new to the meeting room, I just check, and then, I can download Maxhub share, and then I can start the meetings to use wireless projections. So this is the three main interface. So let's go back to this screen. Okay, and here you can see an input source. So for example, if I connect to a HDMI, I can switch to a HDMI source. If I connect to a Type-C, if my laptop is connected to a Type-C, I click on Type-C 1, it will share my laptop on the screen. At the back here, another Type-C. So you can have 3 video devices connected to it. It will do a projection of the screen. If I play a video, it will use the speaker here to play the sound. So this is just like a TV, you can have multiple sources of input. And here you can, if you want to see what software is installed inside the panel, it's just like your mobile phone. You call all applications. So all this software is pre-installed from the system. This one I think is we manually install it, because inside these meeting applications we have the SDK that works with Teams, Zoom, and Google's. So actually we have a small application running inside. But you can also install client, the standard client software. If you don't install this client software, this meeting software also have built-in Zoom and Teams already. And if you want to learn more, we also have the Help Center now. So the Help Center is like a built-in user manual. So how to connect, and then it gives you instructions, and how to start the meeting, and then it gives you interface and how to set it up. So this is like a user guide built in into this application. It's got all the function of these panels. Like how to set a video, how to set up the cameras. So it explains to you how to set up. Okay, you can take a pictures, and then you can scan the phone, and the picture can back up to your phone. So if you have time, you can go through all the help centers. So, and then the multi-share. Multi-share is like the same as just now. If you want to have this screen project to another panels, so this one you can start the multi-share, and then you can add in one. For example, just quickly, then it will look for any compatible device. So if you have compatible device, you will be connect, and then you just need to play. So whatever I'm showing on the screen will be projected to a connected screen. And then this is upgrade assistant. So if we have a new software, then it will automatically check for the new software, and you say, oh, the new software is available, you want to update or not. Just one click. The update process normally takes like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then it will restart. So it's very, very straightforward. So you can set to automatic or manual. If you set to manual, here we'll have a pop-up. It will say, oh, a new software, would you like to install? So if you set to automatic, then it will start automatic whenever there's new versions come out. And then the browser I will go to later. So, and the pivot. Pivot is the management software. So you only need already enrolled. Okay, yeah. So you only need two information. One is the administrator email address, and also this organization code. So enrollment is very straightforward. You click on enroll, you put in your administrator email address and the organization code. Then this device will talk to the cloud and find your account and link up. Again, the process probably 1 minute. Yeah, very straightforward. But tomorrow we will cover the Maxhub pivot software. So the one thing is that for every panel, you need to enroll to it. But this software is free, and we also have a licensed versions. The licensed versions will be able to, without needing to enroll, we will search the device and then do the automatic enrollments. That one is need a license to do it. So this one you just manually enroll, but it's very straightforward already. The automatic enroll, it will find the serial number and the panels, and then it will auto update. Okay, so that's the basic software, and then we will cover the main software, the whiteboard, the meeting, and also the screen share, which is outside here. So if you want to go back to the home, just click home, then you go back to the home screen. So, and then this here is we call it a sidebar, so quick access bar. So you can drop it down without going to the old applications. I can have the common application here. I can bring it down, then I can also access any of the application without needing to go into the all applications. And also there is an attitude. So annotation, normally we use the most is when you do laptop projections. If I want to do a discussion, I click on annotation. You see this window pop up, which means now I can do annotation on the screen. I can change the color. So this screen, so it can be a mobile sharing, it can be my laptop sharing. So the contents will be now it can be erased. Okay. And also, like I mentioned before, you can also save this one. Okay. Now, if you scan on this code, you will be able to download whatever you discuss. We discuss on the screen. And there's the sharing have two ways. One way is you can have this code to download over the internet. If for example someone will take the pictures and then download from the internet, if you want to stop that, you can save it to local only. So if the device is not connected to your local network, this code doesn't work. So this code can work over the internet or only for a local. So later I will show you how to set it up. Now this one is a sending code to take away. Please connect to Wi-Fi. So which means this code may only work if your mobile phone is connected to this office local network only. So if someone take the picture, they want to try download from outside, they can't do it. Okay. Okay. So now this is the okay. So this is it. Okay. Now the next one is a split screen. Split screen is also quite useful if you have multiple applications running. So I can have 2 applications or up to 4. It depends on how I want to run it. So I set up whatever application is running in the background, enable it, then it will pop everything out. So I can have multiples, so it will launch all the application. Now I can have all the control on any of the screen. And if I want to write something here, so this all multiple applications can run at the same time. You still can adjust it, make this one bigger. Or let me just go back. Or you can also adjust it for make it smaller as well. Screen. And okay. Just now I make it into full screen. So if you adjust it, then it will auto switch, and the layout you see auto fit into all the layout correctly. File transfer. So okay, if you want to project any file to this laptop for discussions, you can scan and then you will send the file to the panels for discussions. Privacy clean is where when you do after the sessions, then just close this one. The privacy clean will clean out all the file you share of all the sessions. So that's why you saw the pop up. Yeah. And this is to check the set up the volume of the screen. This one is to call out the keyboard. And then settings and timers. And also you can extend it. So like all other applications. So timer is normally for if you want to have a brainstorming discussion. Say okay, let's do 1 minute. Let's do a discussion now. Then after it's done, then it will give you the alarm. You know the timer is up. And then okay, voter. So if we have a picture here, let's say this is design A. Design 1 or design 2. So when you're doing the sharing, you have different designs. So maybe you have 2 designs. So you can create a vote, and then people can scan, they look at the screen, or you like design 1 or design 2, then they can start to vote, and then they send it to the screen. Then later on, you will be able to view the result. It will show you how many people vote for design 1, how many people vote for example, 1 person has already voted, 8 or 2 person vote. Then I can see from the statistic here, or design 1, design 2, how many person. So this one you also can see the histogram or a pie chart. And you can also click and insert this discussion into the project. Now I have this discussion inside this member. Okay. And screen recording, again, is straightforward. So if I want to start the recording, so whatever I'm writing now, oops, change to right. So whatever I'm writing on the screen, and it will pick up my voice, so it will record the sections of the brainstorming. Maybe just a bit, or you can bring the file, and then you can test the audio and the picture. All will be synchronous. Whatever I'm doing here will be synchronous. It's the sound pickup and also the recording. Okay. And the cameras, later we'll go through the camera setup and AV control. The process is normally, if you're running a multiple process, you will be able to select from there as well, just like the Windows. But sometimes you don't want user to go to the Windows. So you make everything control from recording meeting always launcher. And then the wireless settings. So this is just a small tool. So other than that, then we can go into the details. Huh? Any questions so far? Now, if I go back to the home page, so again, you can run whiteboard from here. So this is the privacy cleanup. So it will ask you to delete anything. So you can click on the whiteboard. It will launch this whiteboard software. So this is a very powerful software. Again, it's unique for Maxhub solutions. So you can choose the pen to write or a marker pen to highlight. Okay, so you can change the thickness and also different colors, different thickness, different color. Okay, so this one is to, or you can use the pen to write. You can see it's very smooth. It's just later we can try around with writing on the papers. To erase, you can use the palm. You can see it turn to the white dot. I can erase like this, or I can erase like this. So whatever the surface, it will erase. Or you can click on erase. Now you can select the erase. You can erase like this. And then you can also circle to erase. Select and erase. Select and erase. Or if I want to delete everything, just slide it and then clear the whole screen. Okay. So this is the select buttons. So you can also insert a different chart. For example, you can insert any of the diagram if you want to do discussions. Also, you can insert a table. Okay. So if you want to discuss anything on the table, you can write it. Oops, see, if I write over it, it will auto-expand. So it will auto-fit in every word into the text. Okay. If I slice it, it gives me another column. Okay. Now the next. So this also you can create a different mind map. So this one is normally for discussion. You can set it up a different setting. So adjust. Then you can have different discussions or different box to write it down inside the mind map. With the select buttons, you can select the icon. Then you can move around. You can select whatever you want to move, and then you can move it around. Just use the select buttons, or you can also touch the select. And this screen here, you will have the gesture to zoom in and zoom out. You can see I can zoom in. You can have unlimited space for you to write. Okay, so 2 fingers, I can move it around. If I want to zoom in, I just explain it. So you can zoom in and then move the whole discussion around it. Okay. So I think that's what we covered. And to insert the file, you can click on File. Then you can choose the application here. So if I want to click on the picture, I just select. It's quite big, so let it load up. I can select the pictures, and then I just click Insert. Now I have this picture. I insert it together. Okay. If I want to copy it over, I can also copy it, and then get another duplicate file. Okay. So if I want to insert a video, similarly, I just select whatever contains that I can produce here. Okay. Go up, and then I can insert. So I can also take a video. I can lower down the volume. I can increase the volume. How can be controlled within the video? So, and if you want to have different pages over here, you can add in another pages, Okay. So I go back to the second page. Now I have 1, 2, 3. So you can always have different discussion on the whiteboard. So this is the and if you want to save the file, you can see over here. So whatever you discuss, you can still get a QR code and then scan, and then it will take all these 1, 2, 3 pages inside the PDF file. So you're not getting this only, but you're getting all the other. Also, you can save it as a Maxhub whiteboard file format, which means you can edit it later. If you save it as PDF, it will be fixed image, or PNG will be fixed image. But if you save it as Maxhub whiteboard format, then you can have all this selection, all these adjustment later on, change color. So all this can be done, edited after it. So here, for example, okay. Okay. So this is the collaboration mode. So if you want to do, like you have 2 or 3 of these panels, you create 1 section. And now I have the second panels, I just need to send them this code. So for the second panel, they will type in this code, then 2 panels will link up. So whatever I'm writing on the screen here, the other screen will see it simultaneously. And then if I enable the mic, they will be here, they can hear me, or I can mute them. So we can do a collaboration of up to 4 Maxhub panels using this function. Okay.
I have a question.
Okay, yeah.
It's from the others. Okay.
Cannot only mess up only the corporate series. So this function only works with corporate series.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the same content.
No. Yeah. Only mess up. Yeah. Yeah.
I have a question. Has the Firefox can install other application except for AutoCAD?
Yes.
AutoSolve?
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. So I will go. So normally we will use this page, but actually if you click here, you go back to Windows. So you can install. Yeah, it's based on Windows.
Yeah.
So the business like to use this is because it's not Android. So a lot of business application already buy the license, like AutoCAD license or all the software license. They can install it. It's just like a
Windows
PC.
OS.
Correct. So, but if you don't want the user to access this page, you can go back to home. You can disable this button. So later I will show you. So if you disable this button, then they only use whatever application is allowed. But you can install all different applications.
And I have a question about all the Firefox model. It's made so why the Maxhub
Yes.
Maxhub 1 and 2
Yes.
connects to network.
Connect to network. Yeah, have the connect to network.
And it host
Meeting.
It's remote Firefox. From the remote or the Maxhub Firefox can to write and not text.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So if I go back here, so if you see, so this is the view. So you can see if I zoom in or zoom out, the view will change. Okay, so I can control what to view, but the other side, if they use, so for example, the other side is using pink color. So if you do the writing here,
Yeah.
I can see, and if a point here, you will see like Office 2. So you have a, how to say, any error, say something. This one. So it have an error here, say Andrew is writing this.
Yeah.
So in real time. So when I write, here will show who is writing. Yeah, synchronous. All synchronous in real time. Yeah.
How many? This about the tool device, the Firefox app. You can to have the application. Can to install Windows or
It built in. It is built into our panels. So only the corporate panels have this core Wi-Fi function. Yeah. So you need 2 of this panel. Yeah, you need 2 of this panel to work. Okay. So there's other AI built in is here. So this one we use you can have multiple writing. So if I use multiple writing, okay, I'll show you here. Now the zooming doesn't work because it support multiple writing. Yeah. But you can have multiple people writing at the same time. And also the dual color. So if I enable the dual color, so this one is, let's say it's white. This one is red. So I can for example do a chart.
it's how maximum multi-dash.
Touch point. Max touch point.
What is the maximum touch point?
Touch point 20 touch point. This one with the latest one is 50. And this one we will also upgrade to the View Pro version. The new View Pro version, they will have also same touch point. But the 20 point normally is more than enough. Yeah. And also not just the touch point is the sensitivity, the writing experience. Sometimes some software is they are not optimized. You have how many touch points, the writing is not, the experience is not good. It's like delay. The line is not connected. Sometimes you write and then here no line and then continue. So, yeah. Then this is the to chart drawing and text recognition. So if I enable this one, so if I do a chart, it will auto make it square. So it will auto adjust it. And again, text recognition. So I will write here. Oh. So it will recognize my writing. Okay. So this one is this is where you can see we enable the LAN mode. So if I enable the LAN mode, the QR code only work if your device is connected to a local LAN. If I QR code via cloud, if I use this option, cloud, yeah, then anyone scan it, they can download the file. So like for hotel, maybe for some open training session, you can save it to open, then everyone can scan and take out the information.
Sorry.
Yes.
How long the QR code?
This one, if you go to cloud, is 7 days.
7 days.
Yeah, it will store there after 7 days. We can set it, I think, need to check maybe 1 hour. So after 1 hour, you can invest. I need to check it now. Standard is 7 days. So the code will work for 7 days. Later we check the settings. I think this is the new version, maybe some improvement. Okay, so this is the software. You see the importance of buying just OEM or any whiteboard is some of the brand they get the whiteboard, they put any software on, they put software from different software developers. So if the software and whiteboard is not optimized, you don't get this smooth experience. For Maxhub, we have a software team, we have our own software team, we have our own hardware team. We manufacturers, and then all this software is test and optimized. So we have customers using a last generation V5 series. We still maintain the software. They bought the panels 2 years ago. Then if we have new software, they get an update, they still can use the panels. If sometimes it's OEM, this batch have this software. Next batch, if the software is not working, then you cannot get any more warranty or any support on the software. But we will have all this software team and hardware team work together if you have any problems. So that's our the whiteboard software built-in. Now is it this one? So next is the screen share software. So this is our screen share software. So there is a multiple way to do it. You have the HDMI. Oh, sorry, the Type-C cable. I'll just share the Type-C. Maybe this. The one with the panel, the Type-C, C to C. Yeah, Type-C. Just make it. Okay. So this is the dongle. So to prepare it up, you just need to connect to it. Then it will detect the dongles. And then it will wait for pairing. So normally again about one minute. You run from 0 to 100%. That means it's successful. So what you have to do is to just connect it. Oops. Oh, okay. The dongle here you can use Type-C or is it type A?
This is the same. This share.
Oh, you're using click. Yeah, like click. Yeah, this is right. So for some of the like, we know a lot of financial like bank, they don't like to install any software, so they normally use dongle. Yeah, so they don't dongle for security. They don't allow you to install any software. Now for Maxhub software, so this is the software. You can run the software, and we have this nearby device. Maybe I'll share the screen. I wait for the cable so I can share the screen as well.
Yes, that's good.
Andrew, did you perform the duty?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's later it's better you use this one. Yeah. And then one thing maybe I need to explain that we have Maxhub share for corporate, but for education we use Maxhub Connect. So one thing is for the device, the wireless BYON. If you have two software installed, the BYON, the camera side may not work. Yeah, because the software is both software trying to pull the cameras. Okay, so that's why I try to use it. But because my laptop, because I need to do a lot of demos, so I have a lot of software installed. But normally for user, they don't have this problem. Okay. I'll show you the dongle side first. You can see the light from flashing turn to white, the mean is ready. If it's flashing, it means it's still looking for it. So if I click, now it will turn to green. The green means my already project to it. So if you have another device, want to connect to it, if you one click, it will replace my laptop. So if you want to have two devices connect at the same time, you need to do press and hold 3 seconds, then both devices can share to the screen. If you only do one click, it will replace one laptop with another laptop. Okay. So this is the disconnect here. So because I want to run the software, so I don't want to use the dongle. I just want to. Okay. So it will detect. But this one, you see, I'm using the Type C 2, and there's another one is Type C 1. When I use Type C 2, you can see the control here. So this is the control for my laptop. If I click on home, it will go to the panels. So for example, if I don't have OBS connected, I only have a laptop. I want to use my laptop and the touchscreen. Then I still can use all the touchscreen functions. So I can still annotate everything. So this one is on my screen here now. Here is but the control is more simple because it doesn't run the Maxhub meeting OS annotation. It has the built-in simple annotation tools, and I can do the erase as well. So all this will still work, which means if without OPS, with the laptop, you still can all these touch function built into it. Okay. So and then the reverse touch. Let me see this one. Okay. So this is the software, and now I'm using a direct connections. So if I want to go back, if I have the OPS, if I want to go back, I just need to click home, and it will go back to the home screen environment. Okay. So now I'll show you the software side. Yeah, yes. Just discontinue this one. Now I will show you the wireless sharing. still need to share the screen. Sorry. Yeah, not sharing the screen. Okay. Just I forgot. Okay. So let me just go back here. Okay. So this is the Maxhub share software on my laptop. We should get the touch control. Maybe I'll check. So you can see from here, it will find a nearby device. So all the laptops, once you connect to this panel one time, it will have a quick access function enabled. So which means it will, when I walk into the room, if my laptop is connected to this office Wi-Fi, it will automatically detect the latest connection code. So I just need to click, and then I can start to share my laptop. Okay, now I'm sharing my laptop to the screen. Okay, this is to the software, and my phone is also connected to the multiple screen. Yeah, I'll do. You need to. Okay. Let me show you the website here. So the application is called MH Share. If you look for MH Share in the Play Store, you'll be able to download it. Now, once you download the applications, then you will be able to connect to it as well. Let's see what I can share here. Okay, now I'm sharing my screen to it. So you can have multiple devices, and then still see the touch function is still work on my display. Okay. And okay, I can disconnect this one now. Because it's all wirelessly now. So you can see over here, each of the control all work here. And this one you can do zoom in and zoom out. And then back to one-to-one. Okay. This one. This is your screen here. Okay. And if I click here, you can put on these buttons. Then I can select which one to be on the main windows. So, select here.
You disconnect.
Now,
picture.
yeah, this one is picture in picture. So, you can adjust it. So normally when you do like the Zoom meeting, if you want to adjust this one, you can do it. So if I connect here, so you can export it into a screenshot, or you can make it into a full screen. So I go back to a full screen mode. And this is the back of the screen. Okay. So this one you will be able to do multiple connections up to now simultaneous connections. So now if I want to, for example, now if I want to do a Zoom call, you can go back to the home screen. If I run and not then you can also start another meeting. And then you can have this picture in pictures here, picture in, or you can do a share screen. Then you can choose whatever screen you want to display or just to share. Close it. So this is to run multiple sharing at the same time. So next,
it's about it's wireless setting, wireless sharing, and how many screen wireless same time.
9. So this is the screen share. Yeah.
Chị ơi, em có câu hỏi chị dịch giúp em ấy. Đấy là có một vấn đề là em thấy là kết nối cái điện thoại và các cái thiết bị vào trong cái màn hình này nhưng không có đòi hỏi một cái mật khẩu gì ấy. Thì mình chỉ cần kết nối với mạng wifi và mình kết nối được với màn hình luôn, đúng không ạ?
Có cái mà
Có cái pin code nhưng mà em vừa thử kết nối cái là kết nối được luôn đấy. Thì như vậy thì có khi nào mình đang xử lý và nó sẽ bị gián đoạn bởi một cái kết nối khác mà mình không biết nguồn gốc.
tức là nó không có băng code ở bên đó.
Kết nối cái
We need to the password to
Yes. So you need the first is you need to connect to the Wi-Fi, this office Wi-Fi or this one. So
The same.
the office Wi-Fi and built-in here you got another hotspot. So if you connect to this hotspot, you can also do the sharing. So there's two Wi-Fi. One is the main wireless or the LAN connections. The second one is the built-in hotspot.
So can we set the password for the sharing?
Sorry?
Can we set the password?
Sharing, no. This password you can change, but this one is auto-generate. The first thing is you connect to the Wi-Fi. The second thing is you need to have this password. You need to have this password to log in. Yeah.
Code.
This code.
bởi vì có một cái vấn đề là khi mà chẳng hạn trong một cái wifi của một công ty mình
Em hiểu hỏi thì nó sẽ có một cái setting. Nó setting là sẽ
So how they limit it? Is the number of the
the
sharing?
number last time it's about depends on the network configuration. Normally like 32, 40 people can all connect to the network, but to display it only 9. But connection, you can have more than 30 users all connect to this Wi-Fi
This
network.
question is so easy to connect to
They want
protect
to limit
the screen into
the number of
the
people
page.
that can share.
That's how to prevent someone to automatically connect to the screen.
Oh, you can disable it. This
Yeah, this
okay.
aspect.
So we make two things. One, we make it simple to use,
Yeah, it's
so
so easy.
everyone can use it. But if you want control,
Yeah, control.
okay. So for the demo, obviously, we make it very straightforward to you. Yeah. You understand it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this one here, first you can hide a lot of things. So this one nearby, you disable it. Then you don't see it. Yeah. And then all this you can disable it. The other one is the screen passcode refresh time. You can change it to do not refresh or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So it keep changing. So the last passcode after the meeting, it will not work. So unless they got the new passcode. So if not, they can't connect to it. Even they connect to the hotspot, they can't connect to it. Yeah. Okay.
I mean the
And
verification.
this one also, If you connect verification enable,
Yeah.
once you connect to it, here go another number, four number. So if I connect, if I'm not in the room, if I don't see this phone number, I can't connect to it. So it will see or somehow try to connect, and then it will pop out here. Please enter the 4 pins. So this double protection. Okay. Yeah, something like this. So you need to key in this. If not, it don't allow you to connect. So you can make it easy to connect, or you can have all this security enabled. But normally for demo, we try to make it more easy to connect. Other setting is like
It's a support multi OS, Mac OS.
yes. This is the Windows entry. If I disable it, now I lost the connection to Windows. So people can't go back to a Windows mode. So the other setting is like the QR code, the whiteboard. You want to disable the collaboration store or the QR code, everything. This is the scanning. So if you set to public network, everyone can log in. You will send to LAN mode. Then the QR code only work if your device is connected to the local network. Same as meditation code, working, or other setting. Screen settings, I think this one. You can go through the user manual for all the details. Mainly, floating size, this one. Sometimes for security, if you don't even want to display this code, you can disable it as well. Okay, so it disappears. So like for example for bank, they only use dongle. They don't want any software to connect to it. So which means only the dongle will work on the panels. The dongle that is already paired with this room, it will work. So another dongle you have to pair with another device, another room. So if this dongle go bring to another room, it will not work. It doesn't recognize the hotspot, the wireless IP address. So that is for security purposes. Like barcode, yeah. They only use dongle. Okay. Others. Yeah, share for me. Yeah.
Chị ơi, dịch giúp em. Tức là em thấy là có rất là nhiều cái mode cài đặt ở trong đây, thì tức là ví chẳng hạn như một cái doanh nghiệp thì người ta chỉ có 1 đến 2 phòng họp thôi, nhưng mà người ta có rất là nhiều phòng ban nhé. Thì mỗi một phòng ban người ta lại có một cái chế độ cài đặt để cho nó phù hợp với cuộc họp của người ta. Thì có những cái giống như là có cái chế độ lưu profile để lưu lại nhiều cái lưu lại cái
Okay, it just give some example. For the company, they have many departments. We just have 2 IFBs. So each department will have their own settings. Yeah, so they just want to ask if we can save the settings for each department.
Like a profile window. The window have many profiles.
Okay. And some setting, I think this version, okay. What some of the pivot you can do some. I need to check which setting you need to, because pivot can set a profile. So the settings of pivot can push to the panel. So if you use the pivot profile A for department A, pivot profile B for department B, then you can set up. But I'm not sure how detailed the setting. Yeah, I'll check what setting can be customized. Yeah.
Nếu mà sử dụng cái bytecode thì bản chất là nó có thể customize cái profile cho từng phòng ban, cho từng ngưỡng cao. Thế nhưng còn tùy thuộc vào việc là người ta muốn setting cái gì, thì bạn hãy check lại xem cái bytecode nó có thể setting cái gì ở trong đấy.
Profile customization.
Nếu mà cơ bản giao diện tương quan hai thì có thể làm được. Còn trước đây về hệ thống thì phải chung.
Giữa cái áp dụng cho như là một cái doanh nghiệp
Nhiều bản,
rất là nhiều bản muốn triển khai thì còn thực ra là
Không gì đâu.
ít lắm đấy. Thì cái setting này nó không phải như trên Windows thì nhiều như thế.
Đi vào Bible xem một setting.
So then we can take a picture together.
It's a
Do a picture, huh? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah, I'm looking. Checking.
the high quality camera.
Yeah, we can see the picture, and also very wide. I'm so close to the camera, you see, and then you still can see me.
Yeah.
So which means if you have a small table discussion, even though I stand here or sit here, the camera still pick up. Yeah, and also it doesn't. You see some of the picture it will have distortion, but this one is given a wide angle. The camera's view is still quite nice. Just so for my own record.
When this new software, this IVB is a Google Play Speaker.
Which one?
When I need install new software, use Google Play Speaker. Google Play Speaker.
Google for corporate version, you have to change to the Android OPS.
Yeah.
Because corporate version is different. So we have Windows OPS and Android OPS. Yeah. But if you run Google's or Windows, it all works. So because Google Windows is all browser based. Yeah, all browser based. So
This means the Google on the Android.
On the Android, yeah. The one you need to install we call it Google Mobile Service application.
Yeah.
Yeah. But let me just download this one. But this version is different. So this version is Google certified. So tomorrow we go through this Google certified. Yeah. This Android version is Google certified. You can see all pre-installed. It's like a mobile phone.
Yeah.
So all this Google application will work straight away. But if the E series or our Android module is not Google certified, but we have another application. So once you install it, you will get a Play Store, but it's not official. But there's another application. You know the Get Store or the GSM installer. Later I send to you. Yeah, you can install on the E series.
But we can use pivot to.
Also correct,
Yes,
correct.
Can use pivot.
Yeah, also pivot is also another way to do it. So if you use then tomorrow we'll cover the pivot. Yeah. So you give the Play Store address URL. Yeah, you're using that way quicker. Yeah. Yeah. Correct. So this is the small tools here. So just call out the camera apps, so you can do a screenshot. So this one is AV control. So AV control is to, if I don't want to go to camera settings, I can use this control to change the menu zoom in and zoom out, and then I can do an auto framing. So all this control is also available on the touch controller. So this is where you can set up the camera setting. And to test the microphone, you'll see is everything working. So if you click on camera setting, then it will go back to the setting page.
Automatic framing.
Yeah, automatic framing or voice detection, or use a manual zoom in.
It's a voice checking.
Yeah.
Voice tracking.
Voice tracking, yes. Then you can use a manual. This one is normally for meeting room, better to set to auto framing. Yeah. So,
Thank you for your sharing.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
It's many useful information.
Okay, no problem.
Advantage of
Good to know.
Okay, so meeting OS is finished.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so the afternoon we go to the
Yeah, you will see. Maybe I will touch on this one. I'm not sure whether you already set up the account already. Yeah. You have any Google account? I can also it's just use like the account. It's the same as.
Là mọi người cần phải test mic của cái này không nhỉ?
Yeah, can use any account. Just use any account, then you can set up the meeting. Just use any account.
Nên mọi người cần test độ băng mic của màn hình nhỉ?
Thank you bây giờ.
Test để test nó đơn giản mà. Trước khi đi vào cái phần backward.
I already turned on the pivot. You can check. That's support.
Later, could you please check the microphone of microphone? So, the microphone, our microphone, the C series.
Okay, right.
Check the distance that you can capture the voice.
Oh, okay. So we need to do a recording. Maybe this one. Yes, I think the device setting. Yeah, magic. I share the yes. This is good. So most of it is here. Yeah. So okay. Yeah. Yeah, most of it is there. So it should be okay. So if they, for example, they say yeah, okay. Or you can do it now if you want to. Yeah, you can use like yeah, okay, yeah. You can sure. Okay, use it.
And maybe you can finish the first session in one here.
Okay.
Then we have lunch.
Okay, then you come. Okay, also okay. Maybe we'll continue some the meeting session.
Chắc là xong mọi người nghỉ tiếng Anh và tôi thêm con mệt ở đây. Nghỉ ăn trưa cái đã xong rồi mình quay lại